Today I'm going to show you how I bedazzled this mirror. I love the outcome of it. So you're going to need a handheld mirror. I just got this from Amazon. I did add a vinyl decal to it. It was holographic Opal from TeckwrapCraft. And of course you're going to need your rhinestones, 3M, 4M, 2M, and 5M. You're going to need a wax pencil, and I'm going to use Royal Glitzz glue today. So I'm going to start off with the name. Of course, you want to make sure that you sand down the vinyl before applying it to the mirror. It'll be much easier. And make sure that you're sanding down the mirror as well. So I'm going to start with the name. I'm going to put the rhinestones on by size. Mainly I use 5M, but I did have to use 3M and 4M for the smaller spaces, and I'm going to continue to do this until I get towards the end. My only suggestion is if the rhinestone is too big, just go with the smaller size. It looks way much better, and if it's too small, go with a bigger size. And there is trial and error, but just have fun with it. So next I'm going to do the butterfly. I'm just going to use like the scatter method where you just use random sizes to fit the space. I am using clear rhinestones. I told you those are perfect. I think it went well with this vinyl because it is like an opal color. So yeah, definitely try it. And next I'm going to do around the mirror. I'm going to use a 5M rhinestone. I definitely want to try to do the honeycomb method. I know I'm going to need a lot of filler stones, which are the 2M, 3M, and the 4M, because the way this is shaped is kind of like curved around the edges. But I'm just going to go along and start a little foundation line. And once that's done, I'm going to start with my honeycomb method. So per usual, I'm going to do my honeycomb method where I'm placing one rhinestone in between two rhinestones. And I'm going to continue to do this until I get a little closer towards the name. And I'm going to continue doing my honeycomb method. I'm going to use filler stones where the space is too small for me to put a 5M rhinestone. For the most part, I think I use 3M and 2M. And you want to continue to do this until you get a little bit closer to the name. The closer the better, so that it still looks kind of seamless like the honeycomb. So just keep that in mind when you're doing one of these. And I did go ahead and do like the sides and the bottom in the honeycomb method. I definitely did have to use filler stones, but that's totally okay. And yeah. So for the name, I had went out and did a outline kind of the 5M rhinestones, and I repeated that until I couldn't fit a 5M rhinestone. I replaced it with a smaller stone, so it give it like the scattered method illusion, which is totally fine. We wanted to look full and filled with rhinestones. You wanted to sparkle every little piece of the way. So that's what you're going to see me do here towards the end. I'm going to just fill it in with smaller, with mixed stones. I would start off with 5M and I would probably end off with 2M or 3M. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing I did with the T. I'm just going to start off with a 5M rhinestone, and I most likely would end out with a 3M or 2M or even a 4M rhinestone, just to give it like the scattered method effect. And this is the final product. I think it came out so pretty, and I love it. And thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel.